Hello students, today we are going to start with the chapter addition. In class 2, we have learned how to add two-digit numbers, and now in class 3, we will learn how to add three-digit numbers. But before moving further, let's revise the concepts learned in class 2, and we'll start with the properties of addition. A zero added to a number does not change the value of the number. For example, if 0 is added to 25, the sum remains the same. That is, it will be 25 only. When 1 is added to a number, it gives the successor of the number as the sum. For example, when 1 is added to 99, the sum is 100, and 100 is the successor of 99. If two numbers are added in any order, their sum remains the same. For example, if you add 200 plus 100, then also you will get 300, and even if you add 100 plus 200, you will get the answer 300. So let's see how quickly you can solve these sums. 55 plus 5, 60. 200 plus 90, 290. Now let's start with the addition of three-digit numbers without carry. For example, if you have to add 532 and 463, you will arrange the numbers in column and you will make sure that the digits at the same place are below each other. For example, here 532 have three place values, that is hundreds, tens and ones. So there will be three columns and the digits will be placed in their exact place values. 463 will be placed below that number. 2 and 3 are in ones place, so they are placed in ones place. 3 and 6, and then 5 and 4. And then we'll start adding with the digits. Addition of the digits in the ones place will start. Here in ones place it is 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 ones, and you will write 5 under the ones column. In tens place it is 3 and 6. 3 tens and 6 tens. So 3 tens plus 6 tens is equals to 9 tens. So you will write 9 under the tens column. In hundreds place it is 500 and 400. So 500s plus 400s is equals to 900s. So you write 9. Thus the sum is 995. Now let's find the sum of the given numbers. 547 and 322. First we'll start with the addition of the digits at ones place. 7 plus 2, 9. Then at tens place. 4 plus 2, 6. And then at hundreds place. 5 plus 3, which is equals to 8. Thus the sum is 869. Now let's start with the addition of three-digit numbers with carryover. In class 2 also you all have learnt carryover, and this method is same as the one learnt in class 2. The only difference is in class 2 you have learnt two-digit numbers, and in class 3 you have to solve three-digit numbers. Similarly, you will place the numbers with the place values and then you will start the addition. For example, here two numbers are given, 274 and 149. We have placed the numbers according to their place values, and now we'll start adding the digits at the ones place. Here 4 plus 9 is 13. So we'll write 3 in ones place and 1 will go as carry over to the tens place. Then in the next step, we will add all the numbers, all the digits at the tens place. So 1, 7, 4, that is 12. So we will write 2 and carry over 1 to the hundreds place. Then we will add all the digits at hundreds place, that is 2, 1 and 1. So when we add up 2 plus 1 plus 1, it is 4, and hence the sum is 423. Now let's start. 467 and 374. 7 plus 4 is 11. So we will write 1 and carry over 1 to the tens place. Then 6 plus 7 is 13 and then 1 carryover is added and the sum becomes 14. So you will write 4 in tens place and carry over 1 to the hundreds place. Then you will add the digits at the hundreds place along with the carryover. So 4 plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 8 and thus the sum is 841. Never forget to add the number you carry over, because if you don't add the digit which you are carrying over, then your sum will be wrong. Story sums. For solving the story sums, always read the problem properly, understand it first and then start writing. For example, there are 2100 apples on first tree. We can also say there are 2100 apples on first tree, 254 apples on the second tree and 182 apples on the third tree. How many apples are there in all? So we have got the information that there are 2100 apples on the first tree, 254 apples on the second tree and 182 apples on the third tree. So we will gather these informations and write it as the statements. Number of apples on first tree is equals to 2100, that is 2100. Number of apples on second tree, which is equals to 254. Number of apples on third tree, which is equals to 182. Therefore, the total number of apples is equals to 2536. You will get this number when you add up these numbers. Hence, the answer is 2536 apples. So, that's all for today. Kindly solve the exercises given in your textbook.